Are you tired of shooting low and left? You want to solve that problem? Watch this video. Very easy to solve it is by using trigger manipulation. This is the hack, guys. I'm assuming you have somewhat of a decent grip and somewhat of a decent stance. Those are important, but not as important as the trigger engagement. Now, we've talked trigger engagement multiple times, but I want to kind of give you a concept of what I'm looking for. What it looks like, if you could see it in camera. John, I'm going to push this to the camera. Plastic gun, guys, no rounds in it. We're in a closed set. I'm going to point this towards the camera. Mr. Johnson's out of the way, even though it's a plastic gun. And I'm going to show you what happens to the pistol when it's manipulated low and left, okay? So I'm going to put my hand up here. I'm going to get a crappy grip. I'm not going to do a good grip, so I'm not really controlling the weapon. And then I'm going to show you low and left. Ready? They catching that, Johnny?
Yeah, it looks really good.
That right there is what you're doing. Now, you may not think you're doing that, but you are. And what's causing most of that is you anticipating the gun going bang. Now, we all have these little monsters inside of us, and our body is not used to shooting. I don't care how long you've been shooting your whole life. When you engage that trigger, you tense up right before the weapon fires because the monster's screaming its head off. He doesn't know what you're doing. So if you were to take that same pistol and kind of play here, a good grip. Remember, we talked about good grip, so we want thumb over thumb. We want as much skin around this pistol as possible. As much skin around this pistol as possible. And that's that 2 thumbs grip we talked about before. It's right here and right here. Pushing it out, driving it out. But then when we get it out in front of us, guys, we want to use the tip of our finger to engage the trigger, not the crease. The more finger you put in this gun, the more manipulation you're going to do anyways. You see that right there?